Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl just Ari here, and if you're interested in watching this video, then definitely just stay tuned. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Aztech clay mask. If you guys haven't seen it before, this is what it looks like. This is basically a Indian healing clay mask, and it's supposed to revive your curls and make them juicy and pretty and everything like that. If you guys have been dealing with product buildup and such, the Aztech clay mask is supposed to help with that. Just cleanse your hair. It's supposed to basically just replace a shampoo as far as just cleansing all the products and everything about your hair. So what we're gonna do today is see how this works, and if you guys are interested in seeing this, then let's just get right into it. So for this video, you're going to need your Aztech clay. You could definitely get this at your local beauty supply store, and if not, you can order it on Amazon, eBay, and I got mine at CVS, and I think also Target has it. So definitely check out some links down below I have for you guys for where you can purchase this at. Apple cider vinegar we're going to use today is the Cento brand, and this is the organic apple cider vinegar. I know there's another brand that everybody uses, and it also is very popular. I'm gonna leave a picture somewhere over here of which one I'm talking about, and this one is organic, so I think it's perfectly fine. And it also has the mother right here. Let me show you guys. My camera wants to play. With the mother, and that's basically all the juicy ingredients and stuff like that that you want to get when you get an apple cider vinegar. And this is the only one they had left, so this is the one I'm going to be using. It's probably just as good as the other brands, so let's just get right into our mixture. I'm actually not going to be measuring anything today. I'm probably just gonna eyeball it. What you want to do is get you a container and also a plastic spoon. You don't want to use metal because everyone has been saying that the metal basically takes out all the nutrients and activates the clay in a way that you don't want it to. So on the safe side, let's just use plastic. So I'm just gonna take about 2 spoons, maybe more than that. I'm eyeballing this, guys. I'm really not using any measurement. So depending on how much hair you have is how much clay you want to kind of use. So I put about 3 heaping spoons into this, and this is how much it is. And I'm gonna eyeball how much I'm going to put this apple cider vinegar. So and then once you have your Aztec clay mask into a plastic or a glass bowl, nothing metal, you want to add your vinegar, and they said it's going to bubble like so, if you guys can see that. And then we're just gonna mix this together. And the apple cider vinegar is supposed to activate the clay, and you want to just add as much as you for the consistency you want. You don't want it to be clumpy. You want it to be a good consistency, something that is able to run through your hair. So you definitely want to make sure it's like a smooth consistency, not too chunky. Like right now, this is like a little bit chunky, and I'm just going to continue to mix this until I get the consistency that I want. So now that we have our clay to the consistency that we like it at, I'm gonna go just wet my hair really quick, because you always want to do this on wet hair. You never want to apply this to dry hair. So let me go wet my hair real quick and I'll be right back. So now that my hair is wet, I'm just gonna take this down. And then as always, we are going to work in sections. You always want to work in sections when you're doing your hair. So I'm just going to put my hair into 4 sections to make applying this clay mask easier. So now that I have my hair in 4 sections, I just want you guys to see what my hair looks like. before I start this process. That way you guys can see what my hair is giving a before and like after effect. This is what she looks like. And now I'm basically just going to apply this mask all over my hair, and then you guys can chill out, relax, and let's just get this applied. I'm probably gonna go and do smaller sections to start, and then like continue adding it throughout my whole head. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is what, I honestly didn't know my hair was that long. Like, it looks like my hair is like super long. But okay, so this is what she is giving. Let me come closer. This is what the clay looks like once it has been added to your hair, and it is super messy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So make sure you're doing this in an area where you don't really care about the clothes, or make sure you have a towel down just to make sure you don't spill any of this on the floor. It can be messy. And yeah, this is what basically she's given so far. So I'm going to finish applying this to my hair. Like I said, if you need to add more clay to your mixture and then add a little bit more apple cider vinegar, definitely do that. I have a lot of hair, so I'll probably definitely be needing more than what I kind of put in. I just wanted to have like a little starter for this section right here, and it's kind of like halfway finished, so I'm definitely gonna have to add more clay to my concoction that I got over here. But yeah, so far this is like different from anything I've ever put in my hair, so it's definitely gonna be interesting to see what this does to my hair and how it can revive my curls as it has done for so many other natural women out there. So I'm just gonna finish adding this to my hair, and then I'll be back when I am finished. Peace. So we have finally finished applying this to our hair, and this is what she is giving. I look like a grandma. No, but this is what she's giving. Let me show you guys the back. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is just basically wait till my hair is dry to rinse this out, and then we're gonna see how our curls is gonna be popping. I did have to go in probably like 2 more times and add like a little concoction with the apple cider vinegar and the clay mask, just because I have a lot of hair and I wanted each strand to get coated with this mask. So like I said, you can just keep adding clay, adding apple cider vinegar as many times as you need to make sure that every strand is coated. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait until this is about 75% dry, maybe not 100%, but like about 75, 80% dry, and then we are going to rinse her out. So let me go do something and then come back to you guys when she's dry. Okay, you can never go wrong with Carmex. Needed, an essential, baby. Essential right here. So we're back. All right, let me start. We're back. I'm like 80, 90, 70% dry. It feels like a little chalky. Show you how the back. And what we're gonna do now is go wash her out. As you can tell, even up here, it's like super hard. So that's a good sign. If I wait till this dries 100%, I will be here all night. So I'm not waiting any longer. Like I said, she's about 65, 70% dry. And I think that's pretty good. So this is what she's given. Like I said, I think I OD'd too on the amount of product I put. So it would really take all night in order for this to dry. So I'm not waiting that long. What we're gonna do is go to the bathroom and let's go wash her out. And as you can see, here we are. I am rinsing all of this clay finally out of my hair. And you just want to make sure when you're rinsing it, you get all of it out of your hair, because you don't want to go style your hair and then have green clay residue in your hair, because that is not cute for the curls. So definitely make sure when you're in the shower to stay in there maybe an extra few more minutes, just to ensure all of that clay is out of your hair. And these are the final results. I'm super happy the way the clay helped to restore my curls and get rid of any buildup. I know you see white residue, but that's just my leave-in conditioner. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys decide to try this clay out, let me know down in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Peace.